I'm here in the Jangas, South Cotabato, guys. The Jangas means General Santos City, guys. Yan ang name niya noong unang-unang panahon pa yan, guys. The Jangas tong General Santos City na ngayon. Yan. Dito sa terminal ng bus. Yan, bus nyo dyan sa likod. Pacific Palawan, guys. Biyahe naman tayo mamaya pabalik ng Tacoro City.